So welcome back. Today we're going to apply decals, exhaust system, fairings, and hopefully the skid plate. So all the AirTag fairings are on, front sides, this one. This is the extender from Black Widow, so the lambda sensors can be placed more to the back, like that. This is going to be somewhere around here. That's the next step. Now we're gonna put on the hand guards and the decals, and then the exhaust system. So we're also removing the mirrors because they are going to be switched to the double take ones. The left side is a normal thread and the right side is the opposite direction. So righty loosey. Pop. Ja, zo.
Ik ben benieuwd.
Uit China.
Ja.
Is dat wat snel?
Kan.
Dan liggen zo in een Europees magazijn.
So if you take this one apart, you can't really remove it. So I think we have to slide this one off. Yeah. So we put on a more aggressive handlebar with new grips, new small levers. Hello Jeffrey,
Hello.
what are you doing?
My name is Jeff. Unpacking the radiator things. No, it's radiator.
No, it's scratch bars from.
Garda equipment. I'm here unpacking the Garda equipment. Crash bars. Hey, my name is Jeff. And the skid plate. Have a look at the skid plate. Jeffrey for scale.
Hetzelfde als ik, same as mine.
Really nice, strong stuff. And what else we have from Garda? This really nice rear rack. Rear rack. Something about like so. Awesome.
The 2026 has a different, how do you call it, setup system. You can't take it apart, so you have to slide it on. And you have to drill a hole in the new handlebars. So Jarno is doing some really difficult measurements with his eyes. So it should be somewhere around there. And you can slide it back and forth a bit. But it's not like the old one that you can just take it off on both sides and stick it on. This is a little bit more work.
We are here at GB Bikes, JB Motoren.
Ik heb niet de goede bij mij.
Busy with the new handlebar. JB Bikes.
Nee, ik heb er eentje kleiner, maar de enige die.
The concentrated face. We are installing the hard bar. Or is it not? Oh, the Scar. The Scar 02 Pro Band. This one came from my CF Moto. It was too high for me. And one of those guys is 2 meters or so. This is perfect for them.
He's training for Romanians. Oh! Oh yes, put it on. Komt ie maar.
Hoppa.
Doe even die schroefjes die je eruit haalt.
Ja.
Okay, the new R-Tech handguards are on the left side. And I think that's a very nice upgrade. Don't you think?
Yes.
Nice. The exhaust is gone as well.
Oh, die is er allemaal uit. Nice.
Here it is. We are going to install a new full system. Full system from Black Widow. And this bike is only 200 kilometers old. Young. Here you can see it was nice and blue with yellow.
Ja.
And we have installed the R-Tech. Complete R-Tech kit. Complete, very nice.
Yeah, this one needs to...
What?
Nice, nice. And this one needs to be up here. Nice.
Nice.
Even maken.
Okay, we also installed these nice double take mirrors. Extra awesome, the short ones. And what we are doing is applying the graphics. Well, Rick is applying the graphics.
Een soort, hoe noem je dat?
En ons vastdraaien.
Die erop hoor.
Dus.
Zit er allemaal af? Oh, ze is ook een beetje los vast erin.
We are making good progress here. The exhaust is on and the graphics are almost on. Fresh exhaust. It's actually very nice to work on a clean bike. Yeah, I think it's looking quite nice.
Ja, dat moet een beetje
A little blue to the original rally.
Ziet eruit als. Die donker vizier heb je nou nog niet. Wie? Jij. Ja.
ASMR.
Nee, hitteschild. Dat moet er ook nog een keer in. Ja.
Kun je sneller niet pakken. Ik kan ze 5 dingen tegelijk doen. Okay, the crash bars are on. Remove that panel. Apply the crash bars. Awesome.
Awesomeness.
Look with this nice skid plate.
Dan moet je deze losdraaien en dan moet je deze op de kant.
The skid plate is on. The graphics are almost on. The twin packs are on. The art tag. Everything is on. Right? Heb jij een nieuwe ketting? Applying a bracket for the top rack.
En nu goed.
This is how it should sit.
So we're done for today. It's almost 12 p.m. a.m. Midnight. Nice. Oh, deze moeten er nog even op. Die, ja? Nee, ja, ik weet ook niet waar ze zijn. Don't know where they are. We did almost everything except the LSK dongle because it's not in yet. So after that we have to dismantle the tank and install it all again. But for now you can see what we did. New decals, foot packs, twin packs, complete air tag, complete Garda, hand guards, handlebar, mirrors, levers, suspension, this nice rear rack, very slim looking. It's mounted underneath and on here. You can still have the thingies here, but they're somewhere in the boxes. So that's it for now. We're going home, and in the next episode, exhaust system, front to back. Yeah, mooi. In the next video, we're going to install the cruise control stuff. So that will be a separate one when it's in. And that's about it for now. After the 1000 service, it will get new tires, and then we're gonna ride it off-road. So, thanks. Bye. So we're going to change the screen for the heavy-duty race screen of Isota. Daar zou ik het niet op leggen. As you can see, this is the original one. It doesn't have a headlight protector, and it's very near to the GPS bar. And as you can see with the Isota one, it has the built-in headlight protection. There has to be some rubbers in here, so it comes a bit more forward. It's slightly a bit higher, and over here you have more room for a GPS system. The screen comes with rubber plugs and a metal washer that's going through. It's from the outside in. And you have 6 mounting points, 1, 2, 3, and 3 on the other side. They go in with the original Yamaha rubber thingies, so don't over tighten them. And this is the rally screen with the hardened plastic. And of course we also installed the full exhaust system of Black Widow. Now I'm going to let you hear it. So the latest addition is the Isota rally screen with headlight protection. So far this is the bike until now. New decals, Garda skid plate, crash bars, luggage rack. Suspension is done. The handlebar plus the adventure mirrors and the AirTag hand guards. I'm going to edit some end shots in this, but for now this is the video of day 2 of building, and after this we are going to install the LSK cruise control and do some fine tuning. So thanks for watching and enjoy the after shots.
We're just getting started, it's all part of the game. Building anticipation, getting close to the edge. No, you think I see you more than a friend. Better late than never. Now it's all over me. These reflections of you, who you want me to be. Do I wanna be you? Is it only a dream?